Welcome to Electronic Geek. In this video, we will be seeing one of the most basic searching algorithms, which is the linear search, and we will be writing our code in C language. Okay, so what is linear search? Firstly, if you are given an array, let's say you are having this array and it has elements like 1, 2, 3 and anything in a sorted or unsorted manner, and you are asked to find out whether a certain element is present in this array or not. Then the basic brute force solution that you will be applying is you will start comparing that element with each of the elements in this array, and you will find out, and you will return its position. So this is what is linear search. You will start comparing the element that is to be found, that is to be checked whether it is present or not, with all the elements of array. Okay, so we will start by including the standard IO library. Then we will start writing the main function. In this case, we are not defining any separate function for a linear search, or we'll try to adjust our code and make it in and write it under the main function only. So first thing that we'll be needing is the size of the array, which in this case I'm keeping it user defined. So and the number to be found out, I'm naming it as key, and another variable I, which we will be needing it for while running the loop. Now a printf statement should appear stating that enter the size of array. Now the system will be reading the number which user enters. So scanf %d %n. Once this is done, we will initialize our integer array, and we are giving the size as n only, and yeah. Now in order to take the input of entire array, we will be needing a loop. Before that, we'll give a printf statement telling the user to enter the array numbers. And now we'll run the loop from 0 to n, to n minus 1 actually. And we'll take all the values. So now our array has all the values entered by the user. Now there shall be we'll be adding one more printf statement for to tell user to enter the number which is to be checked. Enter the number to be searched. And we'll scan it. I had named this variable as key, and now we will be running one more loop, and in this loop we will be comparing the key with each and every array element. So we'll be running the loop from I to n minus 1, and we'll be comparing all. So if ith element of an array is equal to key, then break and come out of the loop. Now if I is less than n, printf number found at index %d, I, else printf number not found, and return 0. Now the reason why I wrote these 4 lines is, if an element is found in the array, the maximum value of I that it can be is n minus 1. So If the value of I is less than n, then only there are chances that element would be present in the array, and this is what this statement is doing. It is printing the index number, and else it's pretty much obvious that the number is not in the array. We will check it once. No errors. And so enter the size of array. Let's put array size as 8. We'll put any random elements. We'll search for 11 and number found at index 5. So compare this: index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll run it once again. We'll take a smaller array this time: 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll search for 5 and number not found. So yeah, our code is running perfectly fine. Now coming to the time complexity part. The time complexity for linear search is big O of n. In the worst case scenario, it will be traversing the entire array. In the best possible case, the element that it is searching will be in the beginning only, so less time will be taken in that case. So this is it for this video. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and please subscribe to my channel, and do give me your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much.